Hello everyone, welcome back to Dragonfly Engineering. So this week we have kind of a field trip episode of clips that I took on the cell phone, which is related to the big event or announcement at Dragonfly. And basically I went and bought another big molding machine. A friend of mine, Bill, who's actually in some of these clips, was searching for a fly fishing box on Facebook Marketplace, and he came across a injection molding company in the area that was closing down, and one of their apparent products was this little fly fishing box. And one thing led to another, and I wound up buying their 2007 injection molding machine that has a 530-ton clamping force. The thing weighs about 23 tons or so. And also, I bought some of the retired production molds for some of their products. And these are two of the molds. Each one of these molds weighs about 3,000 pounds. And they are intended to mold cat litter trays, of all things. So I am going to be looking to resurrect that product, maybe sell it on Amazon, as well as repurpose the design for a few other applications. One of which I think would be like an evaporust dunking tank or a soaking tank, because basically there's a plastic basin as well as like a screen, like a classifying screen insert that you can basically put parts in and then dunk it into the basin itself. And I may be buying other retired molds as well. I'm definitely going to buy some of the scrap molds, some of the big steel scrap molds, because I'm buying it at scrap value. And I'm going to strip off, you know, the base plates and ejector plates and riser blocks and things like that. So I'm going to treat them sort of as kits, and then just take the rest of the block steel to the local steel recycling place. So there'll be more information in the next few episodes of this brand new venture, but hope you enjoy the clips show that will follow of my friend Bill and I at the place, getting the molding machine prepped and also starting to load some of the goodies. And this company was basically post-auction, and so there's things that no one bid on at the auction or didn't sell at the auction. So we were kind of going through and picking through the remains, and one of the remains was this 530-ton molding machine. So enjoy the show, and hope you enjoyed a Merry Christmas, and look forward to a Happy New Year. And we are going to be busy here at Dragonfly Engineering because we need to reorient or rearrange basically the whole layout of the shop to fit this enormous molding machine into the shop. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Enjoy. So you said it was 163 gallons? Man, so I'm going to need another barrel.
You're going to need...
and a few more buckets.
163, yeah, you need at least, you're going to need 2 more barrels, right?
Yeah. Well, wonder how I get those, unless they've got empty barrels here.
No.
Yeah, but they need to still have the bung cap. Yeah, I got to clean that one. That's a lot of oil. All right, so Bill's got us on barrel 3. Fortunately, the company lent us a barrel. It's starting to suck air, so we may be getting close to the bottom.
It's pumping air. It's not sucking in.
Oh, we're sucking air.
This will be one, I'm going to have it filled in completely. So it'll be 150. So there'll still be 10 gallons in there.
Assuming that they filled this.
Yeah, who knows? But it means that we can't walk away for too long.
Right. Oh, okay. Well, actually, let's talk about what you pointed out. With this thing being split, I'll go around to the other side where it's not as noisy. Yeah, gotta watch these. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do because I think this thing, I don't know if this moves out. I don't think it does.
No. It can't.
Oh yeah, because it's on the, because that's the base.
Oh no, these aren't flexible.
Yeah. because this is the back. So anyway, looks like a freaking turret tank thing from World War II.
There's not a good view from here.
Oh,
Well, is that the Phillips? Let me go grab that screwdriver.
so Bill noticed that this machine actually ships in 2 pieces. So the back chunk is 1 piece, and then the front chunk is a 2nd piece, and there's only like, well, there's like a 1-inch steel tab that connects the front and the back together
We think.
underneath this plate. And we kind of further prove that out by, how did you open this? Oh, there we go. There's a bunch of connectors in the control cabinet that basically disconnect when you basically crack this molding machine in half. So I need to tell the riggers that it's actually 2 pieces, not 1. We're getting the Woojin Selex. This is a Korean-made molding machine, and I think it's a 2007. So here's our platen. Oh, it's nice and greased up too. I gotta check on the oil.
Yeah, it should go okay for a couple.
This is our power entry and circuit breakers. And then up here is all of the actual mechanical relays. They're not solid state relays, but the old switchers, which can be considered safer unless they weld open or shut. Yeah, so this machine separates when you unbolt these bolts.
Yeah, I can't believe that you can lift this without.
Well, the dual shot machine was a single frame, but maybe at 500 tons or larger, they all of them are split like this. I'm also getting this robot picker, Cartesian part plucker for the molding machine. It was dead. It's out in the alleyway. Oh, it's not as big as I thought. It's just got this long cylinder on the end here. I'm gonna have to refurbish this thing. You think we can lift it? Or I'm thinking we'll just stick it in the. That's probably easier to put back here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Why don't you stick it there, and then we'll just load the rest of the stock. I'm getting some pre-molded parts that one of the molds that I'm buying made, and we'll stick it all on this trailer.
So I'm gonna do the pallets first.
Okay. Sounds good.
I think that one's easier on the back.
Yeah, I agree. And I can strap it down too.
Yeah.
As long as we just have some positive load on the tongue. But we can always put a mold in there too to balance it out. Yeah. If it's lifting, then we can just stick a scrap mold and get the balance right.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
I cleaned out the inside of the barrel, not so much the outside. But I figured the oil's gonna get filtered anyway, because that barrel was used for like old coolant and stuff. All right, so this is pre-molded stock from the mold that I'm gonna buy. That just going to save us time in molding more. We're loading it onto the trailer here. Well, we're going to be moving a lot of equipment and goods. Yeah, and you can bring it way down then too. I would go as low as you can. There we go. You got 1 foot until you're on the deck. Two inches? 1 inch? I had to help out a little bit, but we got it pretty much on there. It weighs more than it looks because it's a whole lot of 3/8 welded steel, but it's on there. We'll just load up with the rest of these boxes for our first run back to the shop.
But that's only an inch thick.
Yeah, massive instrument. Yeah, so what we got to do is we certainly have to drain the oil now because these are the main hydraulic lines, which are 2.5 inch that connect the front end where the oil pump and motor are to the back end, which where the actual main toggle clamp happens. Back here. So yeah, basically feeding that big piston that we just looked at. Can't even get the mold area in a single frame on this camera. Buy this oil pump, plastic processing equipment. That's the part number. You can get your own hydraulic oil transfer pump with filtration. The leak is my fault. Getting down to the ends here. It's probably up to me to actually crack this machine in half and have it ready for the riggers. I probably need to like plug those hoses so it's not dribbling on the road.
Yeah, I'd probably get out here a couple days before.
Yeah.
Get everything disconnected. Bring 100 pounds of kitty litter.
Yeah. Well, I am going to be the kitty litter king.
It's true. You can screen it after you get it.
Man, look at all this heavy hydraulic. Not messing around.
This thing's in good shape for almost 20 years.
Yeah, they said they didn't use it too much. It's a 61 ounce shot size. 61 ounces of plastic.
That's a lot of
Yeah.
61 ounces?
Yeah. Supposedly.
4 pounds.
Gonna make big stuff. It's got the Van Dorn style multi-pistoned rotary motor back here. It's like a World War II biplane aircraft engine. Getting every last morsel.
Well, yeah, like I said, probably the bottom half inch or so can't come out, right?
Right, yeah, because unless we, I don't think I can, well, we need that extra snorkel on there, don't we?
Looking where the, yeah, I think it's good.
Okay. And we'll let it back drain and stuff too. Oh, nice technique. That's just gonna froth.
Yeah, that's not too super good for the pops. So let's.
Okay, we'll let it sit for a few minutes. I'm also buying some of this plastic too. This is Sabic Innovative Plastic, formerly GE Plastic, and it is polycarbonate. It's actually made in the USA. I think it's made in the East Coast, like New Jersey somewhere, I want to say. I'll have to ask Brock where this plastic is made. Here we go. We got a robot, a bunch of molded product. We got a 3,000 pound mold. That thing was wrenching down. And some stuff in the back. So we're gonna head back to Santa Clara pretty soon. Wish us luck. Let's see how the...
I don't know.
You're not sure? Well, we can stop at Harbor Freight and get some more come-alongs. You don't want to be in this video?
Don't put me in this one.
Well, we made it. Had a couple of box covers on these stacks flying off on the road. They were like dust covers. Oh, here's Bill. So how'd we do?
Remarkable.
Not a disaster laid out on the highway. Oh, look at these molds. Back for round 2. We're picking up molds and resin and hoppers and everything.
One in the middle?
Yeah, just right in the middle. One on each side. Big block of steel. Can you back up?
Back up?
Yeah. All right, you can drop it.
Good.
See if you can get it,
More?
yeah, right up against the fender. Yeah, that'll do it. All right, I'm gonna unhook. It's even bigger than the last one.
Back up?
Yeah, about 2 inches. Drop it a little. Back 1 inch. All right.
Good?
Yep.
Okay, that's 2 molds. About 5,000 pounds. A 6,000 pound trailer. All right, this is second load. Got the, let's see, that's a 2,500 pound mold over there. And then this is the, I think this is 3,000 pounds. And this is the large kitty litter tray. That's the medium kitty litter tray. Plus more kitty litter trays already molded. Some Lexan plastic and the hopper for the big molding machine. So we are about to hit the road for the second trip, final trip for today. We only got 2 in, but it was a big day. So thanks for watching Dragonfly Engineering, and I will give you more updates as they happen. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me see if I can tighten these things up.